Now to a 13 News Now investigation. A special prosecutor is now looking into a complaint against a Norfolk school principal and the Norfolk City attorney. Now, this was filed by a parent and has reached the level of a state police investigation because of the principal's other job. Investigative reporter Laura Geller joins us now to explain.
To be clear, let's break down who we are talking about here. You might recognize Michael Muhammad as a critic of city officials, but he is also a parent of a Norfolk public school student. Muhammad's son goes to the school where Tommy Smeagol is principal. You might recognize Smeagol as a Norfolk City councilman. In that role, he works with Bernard Pishko. Pishko is the city attorney. The three are now involved in a complicated dispute.
Lynchburg Commonwealth's attorney Michael Doucette says he's reviewed the initial report by state police into this complaint. He believes this matter needs to be investigated in greater detail. So what exactly are they investigating? Michael Muhammad had a concern about his son and went to the school. Muhammad says an exchange with Tommy Smeagol, the school principal, escalated, and Smeagol called police. Muhammad filed a complaint with the school division, leading to this email chain we've verified. City Attorney Bernard Pishko wrote the acting superintendent at the time, asking him to make a statement dismissive of the allegations and supportive of school officials. Pishko's draft of that statement reads, Michael Muhammad is wrongfully criticizing Mr. Smeagol. I am familiar with Mr. Muhammad and his complaints, and they are baseless. The school board chairman responded to the request. If NPS reviews situations differently depending upon who the principal is or who the parent is, then we open ourselves up to the very charge of selective enforcement that is often made or is often the perception. We wanted to know why Bernard Pishko got involved. He works with Smeagol in his role as councilman, not in his role as principal of a school. We asked Pishko today for a comment on the complaint and the investigation. I'm not sure what you are talking about, but if it is Michael Muhammad's complaint that I gave legal advice to the school superintendent involving issues Michael Muhammad had with the school system, that is simply what I would do as the school board's lawyer.
In the email chain we obtained, Tommy Smeagol wrote, I am concerned that a false accusation has been made about me and my assistant principal, and I hope that both of us have the opportunity to share our side of the story. We also reached out to him today for his side of the story, but have not heard back just yet. Laura Geller, 13 News Now.